In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print all tabs in Adobe Acrobat. If you've got several PDFs open and you want to print them all in one go, the easiest way in Acrobat is to gather them into a single print job using the Combine Files tool. This keeps the order consistent and saves you from sending separate prints one by one. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Make sure the PDFs you want to print are available on your desktop or in a folder you can quickly access. You don't need all of them open as tabs right now, but it's fine if they are. What matters is that you can pick them in the next step. From the home screen or the main interface, look for the Tools area and choose Combine Files. This tool is designed to assemble multiple documents into a single, organized package that Acrobat can handle as one document when you go to print. If you don't see it immediately, check the Tools tab or search within Acrobat's tool search bar. Now, select the files you want. You can click Add Files to browse or simply drag and drop your PDFs into the Combine Files window. Take a moment to review the thumbnails that appear. You can click and drag to reorder them so they print in exactly the sequence you expect. If you notice a duplicate or something you don't want, remove it here. This is also a good time to confirm page sizes if your files mix letter and legal. Acrobat can handle that, but your printer settings may need attention in the print dialog. Once your PDFs are loaded in the display, Acrobat shows them together with a toolbar. Look for the print icon, typically shown as a small printer symbol near the top. That icon means Acrobat is ready to send everything you've gathered as one print job. Click the print icon to start printing. In the print dialog, choose your printer and review key settings. Confirm you're printing all pages, set the number of copies, and decide whether to fit or scale pages to your printer's paper size to avoid clipping. If your printer supports it, enable two-sided printing to save paper and verify color or grayscale as needed. Make sure the page orientation looks correct and check that the order matches what you set in the thumbnails. When everything looks right, confirm to print, and Acrobat will send the entire combined set through in one streamlined batch. That's it. Your multiple PDFs will print together, cleanly and consistently, without juggling separate print commands.